Hello, Michael Mann here from BikeSocial. Welcome to Birmingham, welcome to the NEC. This is Motorcycle Live 2022. Now in here, there's 174 different stands. There's 50 manufacturers across 4 halls. It is vast. And the show's open till Sunday the 27th of November, 10 till 5 every single day. And in this video, I'm going to try and pick out the top 10 things to see and do here at the show. Come, let's come and have a look. Well, we start here at the BikeSocial stand, where the team are on hand to talk about BikeSocial membership. If you're not a member already, where you can access 194 different rewards and benefits and discounts and competitions, then we're offering 2 different show offers. You can either have a free 30-day trial, or you can sign up for half price at £30 for the entire year. Plus, why not come and have your photograph taken, trying to get your knee down on this competition prize, the Yamaha R7. And if you are a BikeSocial member, come and pick up your booklet and you get loads of special show offers. Why not visit the Bennetts stand, where you can see all of the championship winning bikes from the British Superbike series. Speaking of BSB, here's Bennett's PR man Chris Newell with some news. Chris, what do you got to tell us?
We're really excited today to announce that we've just agreed a 3-year contract extension with the British Superbike Championship, which is going to allow more than ever our customers to get close to the action for the next 3 seasons. Not only that, this weekend we've got some great opportunities on our stand for customers to come over, grab a free coffee, have a chat about any insurance questions you have. And yeah, we're here all week, so look forward to seeing you.
There are so many 2023 models here on show that have never been seen in public in the UK before, including BMW's S1000RR and the M1000R, Triumph's Street Triple Range, Ducati's Diavel V4, there's Yamaha's Tracer 9 GT Plus, Honda have got their Transalp and the Hornet, and there's Harley-Davidson's King of the Baggers championship winning race bike, Royal Enfield's Super Meteor 650, Suzuki's GSX 8S, Norton's Commando 961. Well, there's plenty of other bikes to see as well, including Miguel Oliveira's MotoGP KTM, and not forgetting the electric bikes, of course. This is the Zero DSR X. But it's not just new bikes dominating the show. The National Motorcycle Museum is celebrating 120 years of Triumph by restoring a 1923 Triumph Lightweight Baby. And here at the back of Hall 3, next to the Bennetts stand, is the Black Horse stage, where a stream of entertainment takes place every single day, including the R&G Wheel Change Challenge, TT Race and Ace, Bike Track Stronger for Longer, Vizin Bike Balance, and Whittam Talks, with racer turned commentator Jamie Whittam grilling motorcycle racers and celebrities daily. If you fancy yourself as a bit of a racer, or if you've never had your elbow down before, come and have a go at this. It's a simulator called Moto Trainer. It's on the BMW stand, so they've got a real S1000RR hooked up to a simulator. It's really cool. So if you were to drive your car here to Motorcycle Live, it's going to cost you £16.95 to park. But if you were to ride, not only is it free parking, it's undercover, it's secure, and you've got a 4-minute indoor walk into the show. And if you wanted to test ride one of the latest models, you can. There's about 45 different bikes from all these manufacturers to try. It's a first come, first served basis, so be quick, but all the kit is provided as well. So even if you didn't ride here, you can still ride here. If your little ones want to have a go as well, they can. If they're between 18 months and 5 years old, they can come here to the Kiddie Moto balance bike section. Carpeted floor, inflatables around the outside, all the safety gears provided. Just come along and jump on. Or if they're between 4 and 12, they can come here and have a go on the Arena Cross MX experience on this purpose-built dirt track. It's for novices or those with a little bit more experience. All kits provided, but you need to book your place. And then there are aisles worth of shopping as well. So if you're in the market for a new helmet, snood, personalised keyring, leather jacket, set of leathers, you name it, they'll have it here. And a lot of the manufacturers will have special show offers too. Well, that's just our top 10 picks, but there is so much to see and do here at Motorcycle Live 2022. But of course, if you are coming, make sure you go to the BikeSocial stand first, grab your booklet full of discounted offers. See you here. And all the kits are provided as well. I've mucked it up, sorry. 45 different bikes from all these manufacturers can be yours to try. So sorry. Suzuki's GSX 8S.